Morning, sir.
Evening.
Good evening, sir.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Evening. The school.
Sir,
How was the school?
it was nice. Sir, I don't know the properties of a rhombus. Sir. Today we had a question in school. They asked like for trigonometry, they gave a question like rhombus. They gave one angle is 60 degree and all sides are 8 centimeters. Find
Okay.
each of the diagonals length.
Ah.
So like I
So
don't know the properties.
rhombus is I mean, all sides are of same length. The perpendiculars are the diagonals.
Yes,
They bisect each other. All that is there.
yes, sir.
Yeah, take a Google search, no? It will
Oh,
be. You will get a full list of properties, not only just a few.
I don't want. So there is I know like two properties if two diagonals intersect they'll be equally separate. Like
There is a lot of properties. Okay, it's
this.
not only just a one or two. It will be a good resource for you as well if you have a look, or to any book of your maths course where you had discussed the rhombus. That will also be good.
Yes, they both will join into me.
Okay.
Today we're going to do coordinate geometry.
Yes. Okay, so let's begin. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Continuing with our discussion, we have this thing. You all know that there is a Cartesian plane, right? So in that Cartesian plane, there are x and y axes, and most of them,
So what is that?
what?
No, what plane? What plane?
Cartesian plane.
What is that, sir?
It's
Is
a
the graph
name.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's the graph. Okay,
yeah, it's the graph paper's name.
I didn't know that, sir.
Technically, I mean, when you draw x and y axis on the graph paper, then it becomes Cartesian plane. Otherwise, it's just a graph paper. Okay. So this is a Cartesian plane. Now
Yes, sir.
we are going to talk about linear equations and Cartesian plane together in successive stages, starting from the basic one. You see two lines. One is x-axis and one is y-axis. If I have to say what is the equation of the line, called as
So can you
y-axis.
tell what you told again? For me,
Yes, yes. So in this class, we will be discussing about linear equations and Cartesian plane together. Okay. We'll start with basic things and then progress to general thing. So there are two lines on Cartesian plane. I want to find what is the equation of the line which is called as y-axis. That equation is x equal to 0, or it is 1x plus 0y plus 0 is equal to 0. So the short, generally a linear equation is this way, right? Ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. That's what we call as linear equation. When we want to know what is the equation of the line called as y-axis, this x equal to 0 is the equation. Why it happens to be so? It is because every point on the y-axis,
Don't mute. There's so much background noise from you.
So,
so
Tarun,
okay, so you can continue.
Sir, my bad.
Yeah.
So why x equal to 0 is the equation of the y-axis? It's because, see, every
Sir,
point,
because
True. So it's explaining.
every point here looks like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So the first place which we call as abscissa, look at the first place of all these ordered pairs. What is it?
0.
0. So also, whenever I have an ordered pair whose x coordinate is 0, it is automatically going to fall on the
Y
y-axis,
line.
right?
Yes, sir.
So that's why we call x equal to 0, or 1 into x plus 0y plus 0 equal to 0 as the equation of the line called as y-axis. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
Bro. Yes.
Now, see, in y-axis, the x coordinate was 0. What about those ordered pairs who look like this? C, comma, B. Okay. Where the abscissa of the ordered pairs is always fixed at 3, and the coordinate of the ordered pair can be any number, positive or negative. So if I am going to collect all such ordered pairs and plot them on the Cartesian plane, then they are going to give me this line. And this line equation is x equal to 3. Okay. So this, what is the property of this line? First of all, those
Sir,
ordered pairs looking like 3b is the line x equal to 3, right? What is the property of this line?
The X
x
will
equal 3.
X equal to
Sir,
3,
the
yes.
abscissa is fixed. It's always
Yes,
3 and it only
yes,
changes on the y-axis.
correct. Also, you would be connecting to the fact that this line x equal to 3 is a parallel line to y-axis, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
If you join those
Another,
2 points,
which those 2 points?
or the positive and the negative ordinates,
I didn't get you.
so like the x3, x is equal to 3, that E point is one point with axis at 3,
Oh, it's a
and
line.
ordinate.
It doesn't have an end.
Yeah, I know. Oh,
The arrows indicate that this line is
They go on
extended
forever.
indefinitely.
Yes, sir.
The end of the plane.
Yes. Another interpretation is the fact that is also this line is at a distance of 3
3
units,
units from the
and
origin.
to be specific, plus 3 units from
Origin.
the not origin, from y-axis.
Oh yeah, that's correct.
Okay.
Same thing. I mean, okay. Yeah.
If I wanted some line who is at a distance of minus 2 units, then I would be talking about this line.
C and D line.
This is x equal to minus 2. So x equal to
Zero.
minus 2 means a line which is composed of all ordered pairs whose abscissa is minus 2 and ordinate is any number.
Yes, sir.
This line also is a parallel line to y-axis, and as
That's
well
right.
as it is at a distance of minus 2 units from y-axis.
So anything behind the y axis will have an axis of -2.
Yes, if I am on this line called as x equal to minus 2,
Yeah.
this line,
So everything will be negative.
this
Like
line is,
axis will be-
yes.
Okay.
This line is x equal to minus 5.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We also sometimes write it in this way: x plus 5 is 0, or x minus 3 equal to 0.
Zero.
They both are common interchangeable formats. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
The conclusion is any line which is parallel to y-axis will be of the type x is equal to some number, indicating that the line has those ordered pairs whose abscissa is fixed always. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
this whole story was around y-axis. I could have asked the same thing around x-axis also, and this is how it is going to look like.
Is this the other way around that?
Yes. So as x equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis, y equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis. Okay? Because everybody here has points of the type 0, 0,
0, 0.
15, 0, minus 7, 0. So x-axis is composed of those ordered pairs and only those ordered pairs whose ordinate is always 0. That is why saying that y coordinate, that is y equal to 0, is the equation of x-axis. Likewise, any line which is parallel to x-axis has an equation of the type where y is equal to 6 like this, y is equal to 3 like this, y is equal to minus 4 like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So if you like the word, then you can say that there are many copies of x-axis in the Cartesian plane, indicating that many parallel lines are there to x-axis. Similarly, there are many copies of y-axis in the Cartesian plane, indicating that there are many parallel lines to y-axis.
Yes, sir.
Any questions still here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So moving on, let's draw these lines. So try to draw these lines. Try to make a graph paper. If you already have, I would suggest do it on graph paper instead. So try it.
Yes, sir. It's so easy. Something.
Tarun,
Yeah.
why do you why do you hide the camera?
Take the camera.
Oh, well,
No, sir.
why is it equal to 3?
Turn on your camera, please.
That's the renovation work going on. Is it fine?
It's fine. If the renovation work is going on, only your speaker should be on mute, right?
They have a jackhammer in his room there.
Yeah,
What are
it's
you
fine.
talking?
If there is sound,
I
only
see.
it's okay. Why is it equal to 3? Oh. So the jackhammered his
Hey,
computer.
every
Sir.
time someone says something to me, leave,
Sir, they
bruh.
jackhammered his computer, sir. They were like, is like accidentally crossfired his computer. So y is equal to 3 in the sense, the
Is
line
equal
should
to 3.
pass the y-axis. That means it should be like the second creation, right, sir? Second creation, right, sir?
Again?
Or the first
Creation.
one. The second creation, like the line should be the y is equal to 3 in the sense the line should be parallel to the x-axis, right, sir?
Yes, yes.
Oh, okay, that makes it easy. So if y is equal to 3 means I can like the x thing can be any number, right, sir?
Yes. That's what it
But it should be
indicates.
equal on both sides. 2 in the side minus 2 means I should be 2 on the other side.
I didn't get you.
So if I draw a line that's parallel to x-axis, that means if on the negative side it will be minus 2, then the positive side should be 2.
No, it isn't. It goes for infinity.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. It's a, I didn't
So
think about that.
line is an indefinite line. Okay. It's
Yes,
not a
sir.
segment. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
if you have
Sir, I'm done, sir.
okay.
Wait,
If you have been doing it, it would look like this.
Yes, sir.
wait, I didn't do it, so why do you show it, sir? Okay, first one I got right. Second one is CD, that's sir. 12 plus 5.
Yes, sir. I got everything right.
Good.
Oh, y plus 5 is equal to 0 means y is equal to negative 5.
Yes.
And next
So
one.
y equal to 3 is this line.
Yes, sir.
Plus 5 equal to 0 is this line. X equal to 4 is this line. X plus 6 equal to 0 is this one. Everybody got the correct answer?
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir.
Sir. Bro, how can you mess this up there?
No, I
It's
had
not
a
like you
doubt.
get everything correct.
I had a doubt.
Okay, no problem.
I didn't get everything correct.
Like that also, he
The
didn't
new
get
topic,
something
bro. We
correct.
never did this. That's why I'm a little confused.
Okay, so moving on. Let's see how to plot a general linear equation in a Cartesian plane. Okay. There are things like this. See, you will be given somebody of this form. Okay. Then what are we going to do? We are going to create 2 points. Okay.
So wait, I have a doubt. A, B in the sense A is the X coordinate and B is the Y coordinate.
Yeah.
Oh, then
The
C?
value, the magnitude.
No.
Yeah, then C?
No, it's not about the magnitude or the coordinate. This is nothing but the coefficient of x, and it is nothing but coefficient of y. And c is just a constant number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So what are we going to do? We are going to find some easy points which lie on this equation, and then we are going to join that line. The reason is 2 points are enough to make a unique line, right? So if I ask
Yes,
you a
sir.
question that how many lines pass through this point, can you tell?
3.
No, sir,
3.
undefined.
Yeah, what? He didn't even
Oh,
draw it.
like
Oh,
this
that,
line. Okay. So 2
3.
lines.
So this is a point called as A. How many lines pass through this point on the
Undefined.
plane?
Infinite.
Undefined.
Infinitely many, right?
Yes,
A
sir.
line could be like this, could be like this,
There's
could
like
be like
every
this.
single millisecond, I mean
Yes.
millimeter. Like,
I
But
was thinking in the letter A, sir. Oh my god.
bro,
now I rephrase the question. How many lines pass through these 2 points together?
1.
That's exactly 1, right? There is
Yes, sir.
no other line which can pass through B and C and be distinct from this line which is drawn. Correct. That's
Yes,
why
sir.
if I am sure that I have got 2 points which are falling on this line, then I just put the scale and draw the line with the pencil. Okay.
So if I in case manage to draw one more line in this, will I get a Nobel Prize?
That do exist. Okay.
People have
So
thought about this more than you, so
Yeah.
it's practically impossible for you to do this.
So even like that's
You'll
available.
you'll get a Nobel Prize if you find a closed figure with just 2 lines.
I mean, that's not related to this, right? Drawing more
Okay.
than one line into 2 points.
So do you understand the strategy?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, let's try to implement it. So I have a line which looks like I have a linear equation which they have put in a very uh, comfortable way, but I am going to write it as minus 2x equal to y, or min plus 2x plus y equal to 0. That is 2x plus y equal to 0 plus 0 equal to 0. It is our standard form. Yes. I
Yes.
want to find 2 points on this line. So how do I do? I take let x equal to 0
Yes, sir.
and find y. What it will
Then
be? It will be
0 plus whatever y
2
is
into
equal to that.
0 plus y plus 0 equal to 0. That is x equal to 0, y equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
So 0, 0 is a point on
Graph.
this line. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let y equal to 0.
It'll be the same.
Now,
No, it won't.
now
It won't.
it will
Oh,
be
it'll be the
same.
same.
It will be same. So taking y equal to 0 and finding x, it will be again 0 and 0.
It
So
does
I
not
don't
matter in
get a
any case,
second
right?
point. So I take now y equal to 2. Okay.
That will change.
Now y equal to 2, it means 2x plus 2 plus 0 equal to 0, meaning x is equal to minus 1. So minus 1, 2 is a point on this line, correct?
Yes, sir.
So now I bring the chart paper and then first plot these 2 points and then join these lines and then join these points with an indefinite line. Yeah, the plan. So I got my chart and where is now 0 comma 0? 0 comma 0 is
Oh,
So there are multiple possibilities for this, right?
yeah, multiple possible.
whatever you assume will change
Minus 1 comma 2
Yeah.
where it
depending
is?
upon the user.
Minus 1 comma 2 is somewhere here, right?
Yes, sir.
So is there infinity number of lines you can draw or limited
Where?
ones?
Where
You can only draw one line.
For this equation.
You can only draw one line.
is only one line. Okay, so the line which we are trying to find will be this one. This is y equal to minus 2x. Got the strategy?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We will
Oh, yeah.
also bring a tool.
Assumption.
Yeah, we will also bring a tool called as box,
Box.
where I plug in the values of x and get the values of y. So
0.
for x equal to 0, I have 0. So 0, 0 is a point. For y equal to 2,
Sir, how
I
do you
have
know
x
that
equal
the
to
line
minus
will
1.
go only like that, sir?
I don't know, but I find 2 points which will make only one line possible to go through them. Okay?
Oh, okay. Uh,
Yeah.
sorry, I didn't see 0, 0.
Okay. Let's try next question. So, could you do it? Try it. The standard form will be 3x plus minus 1y plus minus 4 equal to 0. So make a box, take some values and find what line it is going to be. So try it.
Yes, sir.
Shouldn't 3x be 0 minus?
No, we switch the y to the right, to the right
Why
hand
is
side.
4 minus?
No,
We brought y from left side to right side.
yeah,
Then why
not.
is 4 still minus, sir?
It will be minus.
Hey, it will be in the right side only, right? Bruh.
Oh. Yeah, I can assume a value.
Either
So can I start with 0?
Yeah, why not? Why not? Actually, easiest way is to start with, like, take x equal to 0 and next time y equal to 0. That's the easiest way.
If I take x equal to 0, I will get y is equal to 0, right? No, wait, that's not accurate.
Sir, I got y is equal to.
Quicker.
No. Sir, is y is equal to -4?
Correct.
That's
When
what even
x
I got.
is 0.
0 and -4 I got
Yes.
as my first
Yeah,
point.
yeah.
Doing the second point. I can't
Only
take y as
vice
0.
versa.
I can take y as 2.
How are we supposed to do the second one again?
Take y as 0.
We take any other point of x equal to 1 or x equal to 2. Any
Okay,
So I
other
can
point.
take y
any
is equal
other
to 0,
number,
right?
sir?
Yeah, you
Yes.
can.
I can take y is equal to 0.
Yeah, you can,
Yeah,
da.
that's
Oh,
also.
you said to me.
Done, sir. I'll just like draw it.
Almost up, sir.
Hmm.
But I got 4 by 3.
No problem.
What is so 4 by 3? I can just leave it like that, or I need to get the
So
decimal.
4 by 3, you have to be careful of drawing it or plotting it. Where is uh, x equal to 4 by 3?
It's like insanely tough, sir.
It will be between 1 and 2.
So 4 and 3 how, sir? 4 by 3.
4 by 3 is
Should be between 0 and 1, right?
1.3333. No, it is 1.333.
How do you get 4 by 3, da?
I never said
Sir,
4.
shouldn't
Let's
it be
begin.
5 by 3?
How?
Let's see. So
You
let
take I took y as 0.
x equal to, I am going to take different points. Okay. Let
No.
x equal to 1. But the line will always be unique. Whatever you are getting, I will also get the same. X equal to 1 means 3 into 1 plus -1 into y plus -4 equal to 0. That is, y is what?
Y is
3 minus 4 minus 1. Right? So for x equal to 1, I got -1.
3
Let
is equal to
x
3,
equal
sir.
to 2, that is 3 into 2 plus -1 into y plus -4 equal to 0. It means y is what? 3 into 2, which is 6 minus 4,
6
that is
minus 4.
2.
2.
Which means at x equal to 2, I got y equal to 2. Now let's plot it.
Oh my god.
So
So unique.
-1 minus 1, 1 point, and 2
Sir,
comma
isn't
2.
this what we did in simultaneous linear equation and we didn't understand it?
As, that time you had 2 lines simultaneously, right? Here it is only 1 line.
Okay, so that was tougher.
Yeah. So -1, 1 will be somewhere here. Let's
And
give them
2,
name as
the 2,
A.
2 will be a square.
And 2 comma 2 will be somewhere here. Let's
And
give
it's
it the
a
name
unique
B.
line.
Now the line will be the following.
So I have a doubt. Can you just do one where y is equal to 0?
Y is equal to 0.
Yeah, one. I just have a doubt.
Okay.
But then x plus y plus the
X
number
will
is
be
equal
4
to
by
0.
3. Then X will
Yeah,
be
4 by 3.
four by
Else, uncle, 4 by 3. It's not 5 by 3.
Oh, okay. You took that y as 0. I thought you took the entire thing y is equal to 0. Draw the graph
Whoa.
of y
Every
is
time.
equal to 0.
Which other y can I take 0? Da?
No, you can draw the graph of y is equal
Sorry,
to
just a
0.
just a second. Yeah. That's not the point.
I got it.
So it's your fault.
-1,
You have to
1
say it
and
clearly.
-1. Huh?
Huh?
This is 1
Sir,
and -1. Yeah,
it's not 1 and -1, sir.
it is
1 and
1 and
-2.
-1.
I'm just saying.
X is 1, so y is -1.
I almost the same thing, just not the same thing.
1 minus 1
Took
is
it with
this.
0. I took it with 1. Simple.
2, 2
Why?
is this. The line is following.
Sir, so there are infinite possibilities because the
Sir,
numbers
but
you can
my
take are
line
to infinite.
my line passes through -4, 0. Sorry, 0, -4, sir.
Yeah, that's
0
because you took
minus
x as
4.
0.
Yes,
Ah,
sir.
it will
You took
pass.
0
It
as
will
x.
pass.
It's
I
still
mean,
correct, right?
Yes,
it
it
can be
will pass.
anything.
Even
Not
my line
anything.
also,
It can be
even my
anything, any
line,
number.
even my line will also pass through 0 minus 4 only because the map is not right. I'm not able to see it, but it will pass through 0 minus 4. Okay, but point is the line is going to look like this.
Sir, so
Understandable?
there are when you say unique amount of number of lines, it's like infinite, right, sir? Because the numbers you can take are infinite.
Like that number
You
so
can
much.
take
Sir.
any
I
number.
mean, like that expression so much.
Yeah. I can take x to be starting with any numbers. I will get some y, and any 2 points gained in this way will determine a unique line only.
4/3 is brutal though. 1.3333.
Okay?
So, but if I indeed get 4/3 or something, do I have to represent it on the graph?
Sir,
You can make a approximation and
Like write it
indicate
into
yeah,
1 and
and
2.
indicate that this point is your 4/3, 0.
Okay.
Sir, can I take x as any real number?
It should be real, not your imagination.
Yes, any real number. As long as you are able to handle the result.
So better take below 10, below 5 preferable if you want to pass.
Maybe in 12th they'll
Okay.
ask you
Okay.
500
Let's try this one.
Probably
unique
no better
lines.
way then.
Yeah, let's try this one.
You can
Uh,
just tell the
This
standard
time, this time I'm not going to write it in the standard form. I'm just
form.
going to make the box.
So you can already tell
And then
sir,
see.
2x minus y. No, wait.
Determine the line. Determine the line.
So I can do this. So whoa.
Yeah. I'm trying to find if there is a graph already inbuilt.
I'm writing maths equations with a highlighter.
That's why it's so thick.
There's
Sir,
a ruler. So there's graph me, I saw. Wait,
yo,
there's
graph
something
me.
called graph, sir. Yeah,
Yeah,
graph
that's
me.
graph.
Graph.
Let's see.
It's
Uh-huh.
like the GeoGebra, sir. Like,
Well, I don't like GeoGebra. So the
I think
standard
it'll
form is
automatically plot
2x
it.
plus y minus 3/2 is equal to 0, right? Everyone?
Not even doing it.
Standard form. Tell guys.
Wait, we are trying to see how to get a graph in this thing.
Bro, what are you doing? So
You know what, right?
Not working.
Trying to understand what sir is trying to do.
what?
Okay, fine.
So
So
is the
don't.
standard form 2x plus y minus 3/2 is equal to 0? Yeah, I'm taking x as 0, boy. Oh my god, why is it 3 by 2? Why do you always
Are you
get
shocked for everything, da?
I want publicity, bro.
This time I'm going to take 0. X as 0 and Y as 0.
Hey, I'm also taking the same thing.
Why
No,
0 is
I'm not.
easier?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing.
No, I'm not going to take Y as
Sir,
0.
y is equal to
So
3
X,
by 2.
then, oh, wait,
I'm going to take one Y as there's something. Okay, so for X equal to 0, I'm going to get
yes, sir, then X will be 3 by 4.
1.5. Yeah. I'm going to get X as Y as 1.5. And if I take X as
If you
3,
take,
let's say 3, then Y will be minus 2 times 3 plus 3 by 2.
So how am I supposed to plot this, sir? Like, it's not humanly possible.
you
What?
are not humanly possible.
What is not possible?
Like, plotting like 1.5, sir.
Why not?
Why
It
not?
lies
1 is
exactly
between.
between 1 and 2.
What is
Find it,
3
right?
by 2? 1.5, right? So
No,
I took y as
1.5 is
0.
fine, sir. But then, like,
You got
numbers like this, 9 by 2. How can I do it, sir?
Minus
very
9 by
easy.
2
Sir,
is
3 by 4,
minus
sir. What about
4.5.
3? I got 3 by 4 when I took x
You
equal
Yeah.
to
should
0.
listen to
So
what
3
I
by
got.
4 is actually difficult because it is an indeterminate number.
As
But
though
I
I
got
got the
last time
same answer, sir.
it's like 1.3.
Yeah. So let's see.
So when I took
Where
y
is
is equal to
0? 0, 1.5 and 3 minus 4.5. So 0,
wait, sir,
1.5 is going to lie exactly here.
I took y 0, but I got x the same as you, sir.
You got Y as 0.
3. I got y as I put y as 0, and then I got x as 3.
You should get X as 3 by 4. Now 3
What's the
minus
reason?
4.5 will be somewhere this is minus 4 and this is 3. So 3 minus 4.5 is somewhere here. That is B. Makes sense?
Yes, sir.
Now I join the line.
Uh, the easiest part.
Yes, I got 3 by 4, so I got a calculation error, so sorry.
So does your line match?
Sir.
No.
Okay, good.
No, 1 second, I'll just check. X is 0. Okay, then y is 3 by 2, which is 1.5.
Sir, if we have the time, can we do the irrational numbers and commercial mathematics again, sir? Because I didn't understand a single thing in that.
We'll do if time is there.
I don't like commercial mathematics. What is
We'll
3
do
by
it.
4? 0.75, right, sir?
3 by 4 is 0.75. Yeah.
Oh, I'm so smart.
So you should be getting this
There's
line.
nothing yours, sir.
Hmm?
My line is like exactly almost the same as you.
Okay. Everybody's line should be like
What are
this.
you?
What?
You can just say that it's correct, da.
So I got that, sir.
Yeah, exactly.
It's like parallel, so just not the same, but it's parallel.
Correct.
For you, 1 and 1. For me, 1.5 and. Oh, I made a mistake.
You were like so proud for a second and then.
Now, sir, now it's too steep, sir. I put 1.5 between 0 and 1. Now it's wrong, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, okay, now I got it.
Let's see the next thing. So try this.
You have to live the moment, Rakonguvel.
Yeah, try this question. Live in this moment.
Yeah. So why is everything so blurry, sir?
It's super
Possibly
dark,
due
this
to-
question.
Yeah.
Sir, it's dark red. Be careful,
Oh, it's
guys.
already in a standard form, so it'll be
Yeah.
easier for us.
So try it.
So what? X?
Bruh, that
X1.
doesn't make any difference, right? It's only one step.
Sir, it's given like, what's the first one, sir? X1, the value of X? Or...
Firstly, draw the graph of the equation
That's P.
and then use the graph to find x1, which is the value of x when y is equal to 7.
Oh, okay.
Sir, it looks like XP,
Oh,
sir.
sir. So in the first one, we have to take y as 7 and then find x.
It's correct.
Okay.
And then
like
we have
that,
to take
okay,
X plus 3 and then 5Y.
Yes.
So, but it says XP, sir.
No,
The
it says
name,
1.
the only
No,
thing
it's
is
P.
it is a subscript. It
Too
is a
much gaming.
subscript. It is a subscript. So it is just a notation. Don't worry about it. Even if you want, you ignore this x1 and y.
x1 is equal to 3, sir.
So
Sir,
ignore
then
this.
y1 will be 7, sir.
Well, why you are
First
down?
draw the graph. First draw the graph.
Okay.
It's minus 9 by 3, sir.
Bruh, minus 3 da.
Oh, yeah, right.
Hey, you should not do it like that, You should first plot the graph
What?
and
I
then
don't
find it
understand.
out from that.
But why don't I need X and Y to find that? I mean, plot the graph.
But
Yeah, that
why
you
do
have
you
to do
need...
it on your own.
No, sir, but why do we need to plot it in the graph first? You can directly do it, right?
That's the requirement of the question.
You can do
Right.
it. No problem in that.
Oh,
Only thing is, I am
oh,
asking first to draw the graph. Okay. Yeah.
not to
First to draw the graph.
When I found X and Y, sir. Now I'll plot the
It's
graph.
3 and 7.
No, it's minus 3 and 2. What method do you use, bro? 3 into 3 is
Bro,
9. Did you get that right? Check your calculations. 2, I think. I hope so.
Okay, it's 2. Hello.
Yes.
Stop saying Chuma, hello, hello. Can you hear me? That this, bro. We can
Hey,
hear
what else
you.
am I supposed to say? Should I say, Congo, you idiot, are you there, huh?
No, we're there. We're there for you.
If you are silent for 10 seconds, how am I supposed to
What
know
did
if
you
you are
ask?
there
You
or
didn't
not?
ask anything.
I
Okay,
said
okay,
it's
okay.
2, okay.
Okay. You wanted that one 2-letter word, Ada.
Okay. So let's see how
See, that
to do.
2-letter word you wanted.
So I bring the box after the equation.
Yeah, box.
I wish every question had the standard value.
Take x
Make
as
my life
0.
much easier.
So when x is equal to 0, what is y? That is exactly 2.5.
What?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. I got this, but
And when y
I'm
is
doing the
0,
second.
when y is 0, it is 5 by 3.
But I
Now,
thought y is equal to 7 and x is equal to 3, sir.
yes, yes. So I'm going to indicate how to do such type of things. Okay, 5 by 3, if you calculate, it is going to be 1.666
Just take y as one
like
simple.
that. Okay, so in cases when you have to deal with such situations, how to do?
I thought it was unique,
Well,
sir. Why do you have
Sir,
to?
we can just take y as what, sir? Then we can take it as 2
See,
minus 5, it will be 3
let
and
A
Yeah,
be
then
0,
easy.
2.5 and B be 5 by 3 comma 0. So as you know that 0, 2.5 is going to be available here. This is A. Now
Yes, sir.
5 by 3 comma 0, it is 1.6. So I know it is more than 1.5. I just randomly put a point here and call it B and assign 5 by 3 0 here. Okay. Even if I am not exactly plotting 5 by 3 comma 0, but it is a approximation. Okay, so being close enough to
Is enough.
certain range is enough.
So what about 7 and 3? When can you draw the line right next to that line, sir?
Yes, we can do that also. So the line is going to look like this.
This is the line I got last time, sir.
Very good.
Last question, sir. So how's that very good? Bad, sir.
No, last question was different. This
Sir,
question
but
is different.
Then I got answer for this.
first for finding my first coordinate, I got it as 0 and 5, sir. When I took x as 5.
X as 5. Okay.
Complicating this. Every time you do.
Then,
Y will be 5, right, sir?
hey,
yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
X,
sir.
y will be minus 5.
Yeah, 5. No, yes. Yes, sir. That's what I got. So it's 5 and minus 5,
5 and minus 5, which is going to be somewhere here.
sir.
It will hit the line.
Oh,
Okay.
and then I got minus 3 and 7. So it's also
Minus 3 and
calculating.
7 will be available somewhere here. That is
Yes,
also
sir.
going to hit the line.
but when you take x as 1 and y as 1, you'll get it like 2 and 2, sir. So like that is so close to what you just did.
1 and 1 is here.
So, but like my values are much easier, right?
Not like
These are
that, sir.
whole
There is
numbers.
like one,
I'm saying
Of course.
one,
x.
one is
I'm
two.
taking x as 1 and y as 1. Like I mean, like a assumption.
So
If you take X as one, you'll get Y as
pair
Sir,
is 1 comma 1.
so the answer for first one is minus 3, sir.
Yeah, so let's see. Now
Yes,
when
sir.
y is
The
equal to
second
7,
one,
minus 3.
second one
this
is minus
is
2, sir.
It's minus 3.
minus 3.
Yes.
Let's see. 1 by 3 times of
1 by 3
minus
times
2 into y
Y 1 by
minus plus
okay.
5,
So
which
this is
is
a bit
equal to
overcomplicated.
1 by 3 minus 14 plus 5, that is minus 3. Next one is y is equal to 1 by 2 of minus 3 into x plus 5, that is 1 by 2 minus 9 plus 5, which is minus 4, so minus 2.
Minus 2.
Not minus 2, minus 2.
So wait, like 3x plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. X is equal to 3 means 3 into 3 is equal to 9. 9 plus 2y minus 5 is equal to 0. And 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. So 4 plus 2y is equal to okay. Fine. When I transposed it, I forgot to
Like,
change
okay,
to
sir.
minus.
Average
Happens.
Minus 2 is
Nitish.
the answer. Okay.
Okay then. So with this,
Shit, minus
we are done with this chapter. We'll see some questions in next class, or depending upon the mood, we'll see a new chapter. Okay.
Sir.
Let's go.
Mm.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank
Okay
you so
then.
much, sir.
All the
Thank you,
best.
sir. Bye, sir.